You are currently looking at a cube, and you may be wondering why it's showing multiple colors. So this cube is actually split into 3 pyramids. So let's see, if I split the cube, you will see that it's being divided into 3 smaller pyramids. And I want you to focus on what's happening to the volume. So this cube um, has, its own volume, but when you split it into 3, the total volume is now divided equally into 3 parts as well. Now let's put it back to how it was. And now let's change it. Let's change the cube so that it will turn into a person. Okay. So this prism again can be split into 3. There you go. And as you can see, the volume of each pyramid, the volume of the green, red, and blue are all equal. Let's put it back and maybe change the width and the height. Okay. So this prism again has its volume divided into equal parts. Okay, as represented by the pyramids of different colors. So what does this show you? How is the volume of one of these pyramids relate to the volume of the prism? So how are all these quantities related in relation to the whole prism? Now, this is another animation that I would like you to explore. So I'm going to make the link available in Schoology. So, play around with the toggles. Okay. This one is also cool because it actually splits them apart and separates the pyramids from each other. And you can compare 2 pyramids at one time. So this will allow you to compare the red and the blue and the green and the blue pyramid. And I want you to, see what happens to the volume. Okay, so I'll give you some time to play around with these animations or simulations before we look at the formula for the volume of a pyramid.